Hey there, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website, these call to actions that you have help with your conversion rates, so those are good to have. One thing that I would recommend would be to have some more content on your homepage. Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they are looking through all of this content, seeing what your photos are saved as, and they're looking for keywords. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Wichita Waterproofing. And when your customers are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses would be to have a Google business profile with more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then you want a good amount of reviews as well as geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And you want to be on this first page because 90% of people will stay on the first page. So let's take a look at the #1 ranking business for this keyword. So if we go through IWP Foundation Repair's website here, they have some more content on here. Looks like it'd be really easy to outdo them with the content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website. So I have the IWP URL plugged into Ahrefs. And we're going to take a look at some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. And they have 18 and 9. And what's making up these ratings here are the backlinks that they have. They have 246 backlinks coming from 58 referring domains. And what a backlink is, it is one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, as well as spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional with the backlinking. And then the IWP, they have 1.5 thousand keywords on their website. And let's go take a look at yours. So I have your URL plugged in here as well. And right now there's zeros for the UR and the DR. There are 4 backlinks coming from 4 referring domains, and then you have 1 keyword on your website. And so what you'd want to do is boost these numbers up to beat your competitors, and you do that by getting high quality backlinks, as well as adding buyer intent keywords to your website so that you are being found for what you're wanting to be found for. One way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. So you would go into these backlinks here that your competitors have, and then you would link those to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And so let's see some of their keywords that they're ranking for. Find some that apply to you. All right, waterproofing companies, Wichita, 100 people are searching for that. 150, 30. And so this list just keeps going here. And so what you'd want to do is you'd want to add all these buyer intent keywords that apply to you that you want to focus on to your website so that you're getting some of that traffic for yourself. And then having that Google business profile ranking as well. So add more citations there. So for your website to rank, you would want high quality backlinks as well as quality content with those buyer intent keywords so that you are being found and ranking higher than your competitors. And I hope that this video was helpful for you. I would love to hear from you to find out if it was valuable or not. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.